In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a high-converting ad for any product, completely for free. Plus, I'll be sharing the exact storyboard and prompts I used. All this and more, so make sure to watch until the very end. Now, let's check out the ad. For this ad, I searched on Google and picked these shoes. You can choose any product you want, even if you just have a photo of it. Next, we'll head over to ChatGPT and upload the product image. Now, go ahead and open the 2 Word files I've linked for you in the description and the pinned comment. You'll find 2 professional prompts inside. I'm going to select the first one, paste it into ChatGPT, and let's wait for the results. As you can see, this is a professional storyboard that covers every single detail of the product, offering multiple creative concepts. Once we are done with the storyboard, we'll head over to Google and search for Google Vids. Select the Google Ads option and the website will open. Click on New Project, then choose the arrow icon. Once the workspace opens, click on the plus icon here, select Upload Photo, and let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for the product's storyboard image to upload. Just a quick reminder, Google Vids gives you 50 free credits every day, which is more than enough to create multiple ads. Moving on, we'll click the plus icon again and select the image we just uploaded. This is where we'll paste the prompt. Don't worry, I've got you covered here too. Included in those 2 files is a dedicated prompt template that works perfectly for any product. Just paste the prompt here. Next, click on this option to adjust your video settings. Make sure to set it to 1, so it doesn't generate multiple variations, which would drain your credits. Then, choose your aspect ratio. You can go with a vertical video for shorts or widescreen. I'm going with widescreen 16:9. Finally, click Save, hit Enter, and let's wait for the results. While it's loading, we'll click Approve. And there you have it. Free professional 10-second videos for a single product. Now you can easily run free promotions for your own product. To download this video to your device, just click on these 3 dots and select Download at 720p quality. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our new content, and to help support the channel. Thank you so much for watching.